Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing the moving wallpaper format and why it matters. Videos are smooth, GIF loop, and apps give interactivity. Once chosen, make sure your device supports live wallpapers and that battery or GPU impact is acceptable. Next, download a high-quality 1080p 4K file or install a reputable app from the store. Make sure to place the file in an easy folder. This reduces friction when you apply it. You're ready for the first actionable steps to actually set it as your background. You now install and configure the wallpaper so it behaves correctly. On Windows, use a wallpaper app or task scheduler with a video player. On Mac OS, use a screensaver utility or third-party app. On Android, pick a live wallpaper app and grant permissions. Then configure playback. Enable loop, mute audio, set frame rate, and activate power-saving options so it pauses on low battery. Finally, match scaling and crop to your screen's aspect ratio to avoid distortion and keep motion crisp. You finish by testing startup, sleep, and multi-monitor behavior to ensure the moving wallpaper persists as expected. Once done, make sure it resumes after reboot and that primary display assignment is correct. If you see stutter, lower the video resolution, reduce frame rate, update GPU drivers, or close resource-heavy programs. If battery drain becomes an issue, enable pause on battery features or set a static fallback image. A single troubleshooting move, lower quality settings, usually resolves performance and power problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.